Welcome everybody, it is Crypto Moose and it's time to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. What we're going to do on this episode is unbox the CRYPTOTAG Loki. So all of this just came in the mail, and the goal of this video is to give you guys a nice 4K look at this product. So for those of you that have a cold storage wallet, a hardware wallet, this is a way where you can back up your seed phrase, your mnemonic seed, to metal. So this is going to be a good option for you guys. So this is what they sent me, and let's dive right into it. So thank you for the nice, kind messages there. And there's quite a bit here. So I think I know what this is for, but we'll get to this towards the end. Let's get into the actual unboxing. Okay, so the Moose does have a weapon here. So we got a little knife. So on here you can see CRYPTOTAG Loki. This is for the holders. So the Moose is a hodler. And if you guys do go to the link in the description, you guys can see the link tree in there. You will find links to buy one of these for yourselves if you are interested. So let's dive right into it. The box is really nice, I must say. Guys, comment down below if you own this product, if you've ever used it. So far, I'm impressed with the presentation. Feels like a nice box. I don't think this product I'm going to damage by opening it. All right, and there it is. The main reason you want to use something like this is to get your words off of paper. So a lot of you simply have your words on paper. I talk about this particular book quite a bit. So this is a waterproof, tear-proof book. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take, my more significant wallets, something like the Tangem Ring wallet, Tangem wallet, or Trezor, and you could take your words and back them up to metal. The main reason you want to back it up is to protect yourself from something like a flood or a house fire. Having your words on metal, you're going to have a much better time recovering those precious words so that you can recover your crypto, okay? So let's check out what else is in this box. So I do like this metal. Feels a little rough, but I like it and I understand the idea. We'll get into that in a minute. So welcome to the hodler universe. So here you can scan the QR code for the tutorial. So if you guys do want to see the tutorial, you can do that. So I assume this is for, this is to put on top. So once you puncture your words, you can then add this on top. It's physically it feels like it's not going to scrape you anymore. So this is a little bit harsh, and it's just going to be a little thing of protection. It's also probably going to allow you to know whether or not somebody else has opened this. So that's where these two come from. So here there's a Bitcoin one, and it's the exact same thing. Yeah. So here you can just take off the residue, and then here you can know if it's like a Bitcoin one. Hit up the link tree. If you do not have your words backed up to metal, I talk about it all the time, you should do that. Especially if you are in the tens of thousands of dollar range in your portfolio. Definitely something to think about. So we'll set that aside. We'll see what else is in the box. What's in the box? So here we've got a logo. I kind of like that one. And here I've also noticed headphones. So that's probably when you're doing the puncturing. And you also have a little CRYPTOTAG pencil. I like this. I do like that. So here we've got this. Maybe this will help the Moose sleep at night. So we do have those. Really cool. Kind of a cool color actually as well. This might end up being the thumbnail. So definitely getting impressed with that. And then this, Moose just can't get it out. There we go. So this is going to be the puncturing method. So I've done this with my own DIY method where, I've gone to the store. I picked up those little metal seeds and I punctured them with an actual hammer, but that is difficult. So I'm wondering if this is easier at all. I definitely do not want to puncture this and mess it up. So I wish they would have sent me two. I did ask, but you know, they tend to only send the moose one. So that's on them. So nothing else is in there. We've gone through it all. So I do like what is in here. And yeah, basically we may have a tutorial in the near future. And what you're going to do is puncture your words into the metal. So that is going to be something that you can definitely do. For your mnemonic seed phrase, you only need your first 4 letters. So there's an entire list if you guys download the PDF for mnemonic words. And basically once you find your words, then you can put in the letter and the corresponding number for it. So let's say the first word is aging. Then what you're going to do is go to the A and you're going to puncture it. So you're going to go to A and then boom, puncture it. You're going to, get loose and boom. If it's aging, you put A, then you go to G, you'd puncture G, I, N, right? And you don't need the G. So you just need the first 4 letters. And then number 2, let's say it's baseball, you would put base. So BASE and then etc. So that's all you got to do, but make sure you take your time and you do it properly. So all in all, I think the product looks pretty sweet. And if you guys want one, check out the link tree. We have a bunch of stuff there. If you do not have a hardware wallet, you guys can pick one up at Tangem, Trezor, Ledger. So with that being said, the moose is loose. We'll see you in the next one.